This is the Arrowhead Brass PK1390V self-draining vacuum breaker for the 490 series vertical faucets. Now this vacuum breaker will not work on the 490 horizontal faucets due to the fact that both ends on the vacuum breaker are male thread, which you'll be able to see a little bit better once we get it out of here. So as you can see here, the threads are external. Now if you look here, you might be able to see it, I'm not sure. Right here, these little holes. Now there will be water that sprays out of these holes. That is completely normal and honestly helpful for the faucet. All that's doing is preventing the water from flowing back into the faucet and causing damage. The package will also come with a short little list of installation instructions here. I'm going to go ahead and take a couple measurements of the vacuum breaker itself. We get a total length. You can see it measures right at 2 inches. You get an outer diameter here, the threads. The outer diameter there is right at 1 inch. The diameter here, right about 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, so once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK1390V vertical vacuum breaker.